How do you change the language for YouTube on TV? Let's walk through the steps. If you're using the YouTube app on a smart TV or streaming device, start by opening the app and navigating to your profile icon in the top right corner. Select Settings, then choose Language from the menu. Here you can pick your preferred language and the interface will update automatically. For smart TVs with system-wide language settings, you may also need to adjust the TV's default language. Go to your TV's settings, find the language option, and select your desired language. This ensures both the TV interface and YouTube app align with your preference. If you're casting YouTube from a phone to your TV, the app uses your phone's language settings. Change the language on your phone under its system settings, and it will reflect on the TV. With these simple steps, you can enjoy YouTube in your preferred language effortlessly. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to this channel. Thanks.